The biggest challenge for me was that it's no longer a controlled environment in a lab where all students are on a specific computer that I know exactly what's on there, what works, what doesn't work, and I can also control it from a point of view, during exams and everything. I can, monitor what they're doing. All of a sudden, I have a classroom with all different technology. I mean, there's a base minimum that everyone's required, and when we do tests, I can no longer really monitor what they're doing on their computers. I don't have that technology available. So that's been a real challenge, and I think, in our first year anyways, we've adapted that, so we've done a lot more, manual, where they, have to fill out an exam, for example, which could have traditionally been more online. We've getting them to do it manually in class. They still need to apply that, so I justify it that way. And then the other challenge is, you put some of that technology out that works fine on your computer, but their computer, it may not work. So I know I had some frustration in one of my first classes. I think I spent a good first hour of my class making sure that everyone had their flash, for example, enabled so that they could see what I was seeing, so they could experience, if there was a quiz or something like that. And those are challenging a little bit, but there's some great support for that, and I think that's what's important. And again, it's just like every time you start a new semester, even in a lab environment, we had some challenges with students not understanding certain technology, so I kind of equate that to the same thing. But once you're running, it usually works well.